Pollito! And this is Conejo, who's always with me. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet, starting with A, B, and C. Conejo will teach us how to write each one. Let's get started, Conejo. To make the capital letter A, draw two slanted lines that meet at the top, like a mountain. Then, add a straight line across the middle to finish it. And the lowercase a is a circle with a little tail. Nice, Conejo! Practice hard to do it as well as Conejo. For example, 2A is for apple or ant or airplane. Now, let's look at the letter B. The capital letter B looks like two balloons stuck together. And the lowercase letter b looks like a stick with a bump on the right. Can you write it like Conejo does? Practice a lot. The letter B is used, for example, for boat or bubble or baby. Now, let's see Conejo's favorite letter. This is C for Conejo. The capital letter C looks like a crescent moon. It's so easy. The lowercase letter c looks like a small crescent moon. The letter C is for Conejo or cat or cake. Great job, Conejo. Today we've learned A, B, and C. Practice at home by writing the letters like Conejo taught us. And now, to remember what we've learned,